5. Snake plant myths that can actually kill your plant. The snake plant, also known as the sansevieria, is a popular houseplant that many people believe is nearly indestructible. And while it is a very tough plant, there are some things that you should never do if you want your snake plant to thrive. First myth: snake plants can thrive in complete darkness. While it's true that snake plants can tolerate low-light conditions, they still need at least a few hours of bright, indirect sunlight each week. Otherwise, their growth will be stunted and the leaves will turn pale. Second myth: snake plants never need water. This is also false. Snake plants prefer to dry out between waterings, but they do need to be watered regularly, especially during the growing season. Third myth: snake plants are pest-proof. Not true. Snake plants can be affected by pests such as spider mites, mealybugs, and scale insects. Fourth myth: snake plants are completely safe for pets. False. Snake plants contain a substance called saponins, which can cause mild stomach upset in cats and dogs. Fifth and final myth: you can use any soil for snake plants. This is also false. Snake plants prefer a well-draining soil mix, such as cactus or succulent mix. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family so they too can learn how to properly care for their snake plants.